Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and gadgets for your needs. Today, we're diving into one of the best rigid air compressors on the market, the CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon pancake air compressor with a 13-piece accessory kit. This is a game changer for anyone in need of a reliable, portable air compressor. Let's start with what makes this compressor stand out. First off, it's a 6-gallon capacity compressor, which strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. Whether you're working on a small DIY project or a bigger task like nailing, airbrushing, or spraying, this compressor has the power to get the job done. The 150 maximum PSI ensures that you get the necessary pressure for a variety of applications, and its quick recovery time of 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI means you won't be waiting long between uses. Now, this air compressor is oil-free, which means no maintenance. You don't have to worry about messy oil changes or downtime. That oil-free pump is built for durability, giving you long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Plus, the compressor operates at a relatively low noise level of 78.5 decibels, so you won't have to worry about loud, disruptive sounds while you work. The CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon pancake air compressor is all about convenience. It's designed with a compact, lightweight build that makes it easy to transport. Weighing in at just 32.5 pounds, you can easily move it around your workshop or take it to a job site. The ergonomic design, with a pancake-style tank, gives you a stable base, reducing the chance of tipping while in use. One of the best parts of this kit is the included 13-piece accessory kit. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. Whether you need a blowgun, tire chuck, or inflation needles, this kit has it all. It's perfect for both professionals and hobbyists who need to have the right tools on hand for their projects. Made in the USA with global materials, CRAFTSMAN's air compressor has earned its spot as one of the top choices for anyone looking for a versatile, reliable, and easy-to-use air compressor. With a 1-year limited warranty, this is a product you can trust for your air-powered needs. Whether you're inflating tires, powering tools, or spraying, this air compressor will be there to support you every step of the way. So, if you're in the market for an air compressor that combines power, portability, and durability, the CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon pancake air compressor with the 13-piece accessory kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there.